Even before the video starts, I make the doll fall.
Sorry for that.
Oh, because I had a bow. Whoops.
You can see I'm not in the
Oh wait.
You can see that I'm not in the game.
I'm such a bum.
I'm actually waiting for her to go.
Why am I so slow? Okay. Why am I so slow?
Lizzie V!
Why me slow? Why?
Me fast.
Okay, good to see what's going on.
Oh yeah, join my world. My world is better. It's called challenge. I can give you the seed. Anyone in the comments can ask me for. Oh wait. Hello, and this is Animal Hunter here, and this I'm playing challenge, but Lizzie D doesn't want to play, does she?
No, I don't. I'm sorry.
But it's very beautiful.
What do you mean it's very beautiful? It's raining, damn it!
That's the challenge. Try to make a house, get to the nether, go to the floating island, and that's all.
So
yeah, you can see the in her channel. Stop trying to continue. That's her channel, and you can see that that I'm not in a world, obviously.
I'm pretty sure I'm saying that wrong, but what? Steven!
Yeah, throw that egg to nowhere. Throw that egg to nowhere.
I'm scared already.
You know what? We actually have a shelter. Sabrina, we actually have a shelter.
Emily.
What?
There's no lag, or there's a little bit, but not too much.
See, I told you, it'll get better during you do it. Oh yeah, just
or because you were there.
Oh yeah, another thing, if you make it too long, it also takes up your memory storage.
That's why there has to be a computer involved.
A computer?
In transferring the stuff to the technology. Oh. John! Oh wait, no, I shouldn't say that.
That's not John.
Oh, that makes everything better, Emily. That's not John.
And my name is not Emily.
Your name's not Emily.
It is true.
It's true, it's true. Don't listen to what we said.
No, it actually was true.
Well, don't say that.
It actually is.
Hurting my feelings.
That's like eating a potato.
No, that was by accident.
No, I saw you purposely do that.
No, I was trying to. Now I'm eating.
Yeah. Now it's nice and sunny.
I was trying to get the potatoes.
Lizzie D.
I am done. I am just here for
freedom.
Learning experience.
My
first video.
I'm much more smart. No, that's
check out my cat right here.
That's not your cat.
Well,
mine's is better. It's a wolf.
This thingy. Ooh, there's a skeleton.
Mine's is better. It's a wolf.
Well, mine's awesomer.
Yeah, yours is a hilarious one.
That's 'cause I'm childish like that.
I'm childish.
But I'm more than you.
Yeah.
No. Okay, scary sounds.
That's a spider.
Is that mine or yours? Please tell me that's yours.
No.
Where is it?
It's
Exactly.
It's a spider. It won't harm you.
Oh, it must be up. I almost said upstairs, but there's no stairs either.
Since she's not coming, I'm gonna change around a bit. I'm gonna see us for a second.
Okay, I'm done. I'm scared. Sorry, everyone. I am done.
Wait, no, you can also.